Good morning, children. Now we are going to learn articles. We have three articles a and the. We have three articles a and the. A sound a used before a word that begins with a consonant. With a consonant. We all know that in our English A to Z alphabet. In that we have vowels and consonants. What are consonants? The consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are all consonants. These are all consonants. A used before a word that begins with a consonant sound. Now, let's see some examples. Here, a cow. A cow. A word or a noun begins with this consonant. Before this we will use a article. Okay. Here cow. In cow word, what is the first alphabet? What is the first alphabet? C. K. C. Okay. C is the consonant. That's why we use a cow. We speak it a cow. Okay. Next, beetle. B-E-E-T-L-E. Beetle. In this, what is the first letter? B. B is the consonant. That's why we use a article. A beetle. Third picture, what is that? Deer. In that, what is the first letter? You have to identify what is the first letter. D. D is the vowel or consonant? Consonant. That's why we use a. Next picture, pearl. P-E-A-R-L. Pearl. In that, what is the first letter? P. P is the consonant because we use a. Okay, children, did you clear? Now we will learn about an. An used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. We have 5 vowels. Those are A, E, I, O, U. An use before a word that begins with a vowel sound. Now let's see here some examples are there. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. In that, what is the first letter? First you have to identify the first letter. What is the first letter? A. A is the vowel. That's why we use an apple. Okay. Next, what is the second picture? Elephant. What is the second picture? Elephant. You have to identify in that word what is the first letter. What is the first letter in that word? What is the first letter in elephant? E. E is the vowel. That's why we use an. Okay. Coming to the next picture. What is the picture? Ice cream. Ice cream. In that word ice cream, what is the first letter? I. I is the vowel. That's why we use an. Next, otter. O-T-T-E-R. Otter. What is the first letter? O. That's why we use an. Okay. An use before a word that begins with a vowel sound. Okay, children, did you clear? Next, we will learn about the. Article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time. That is about a particular thing. Article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time, that is about a particular thing. Here, see here, some example is there. That is the stall. That is the stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. Here, STAL, stall. First time we use a. Okay, same word again we use here. That's why we use the. Once again I repeat, that is a stall. Here we use first time. That's why a. Okay, there is an umbrella on the stall. Okay, again we will use same word. Again we will use same word. That's why we use here the. Okay, that is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. Okay, again we used stall. That's why we use the. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. See here, one more example is there. This is a flower. This is a flower. The flower is red. See children, here again we used flower. First sentence, this is a flower. This is a flower. First, again we used flower is red. The flower is red. That's why we use the. Okay children, article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time. That is about a particular thing. Article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time. Okay, that is about a particular thing. An use before a word that begins with a vowel sound. An use before a word that begins with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. A used before a word that begins with a consonant sound. What are consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, L, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the consonants. Okay children, articles a and the. I hope you all understood this concept. Okay children, thank you. Bye.